Righto YouTubers, just another quick update on the Mackay VW restoration. But first I was just going to show you around my place a bit. This is my place, palm trees over there, my gazebo. I wanted to show you what a typical early winter's day looked like in Mackay where I live. Nice light breeze. There's my shed. Mackay is on the east coast of Australia, and it's in the tropical North Queensland. And for those of you in the US, it's approximately the same latitude as Kingston in Jamaica is. So that gives you some idea of how close to the equator we are. And as a result, we have a high rainfall. Rainfall's about 100 inches a year, and for those of you in millimetres, it's about 2,500 millimetres. Anyway, back to the Beetle. I'm going to give you some idea of what we've been working on. The shed's a mess at the moment, but that's how it goes. So I've replaced the lower quarter panels there and replaced the whole heater channel assembly here, as well as the front. I suppose it's called the inner wheel well of the mudguard, something like that. And then under the front down there, I've replaced both of the firewall or the cowl. There's my bracing here. Here's the cat, wants some attention, as they always do. So that's what I've been up to, and replacing bits and pieces of the car as it's needed it. One around this side, the whole quarter panel here was damaged, and so I've had to replace that whole quarter panel. Managed to get some parts, and it's come up not too bad. A little bit of bog in there. In America you'd call it bondo, but in Australia we call it bog. The lower door hinge mounts there, as you can see, they've been replaced, and also the inner mudguard wheel wells there. So to give you a little bit about the history of this car, the car's a 1958 Beetle. As close as I can get to it is made in October 1957, so that makes it a 58 Beetle. It was made in Germany and then brought into Australia, and it was bought in 1958 by a guy called Eric, and he drove it in and around Brisbane for quite a number of years until 2004, when his eyesight basically they couldn't renew his license, so his eyesight let him down, and the car was put in the shed then. And then his grandson sold it to me, so it's still a matching numbers car, which is marvellous. I want to show you what I've been working on the last couple of days. The kingpins and link pins. This is a kingpin link pin assembly here, and so I've got new link pins put in, new link pin bushes. You can see that there, and then the kingpins, they run down here, so I've replaced all that as well. And here's the other one that's just been put on to the just resting there for the moment. So that was a bit of a learning curve for me. I've never done replaced link pins or king pins before. So yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm just waiting for these snubbers to come, these ones here, and these little rubbers to come, and then I'll replace the wheel assembly and put the suspension back together. So that's the progress at the moment, where we're up to now. And so please rate and subscribe, and have a great day.